Now, after more than 20 months since the COVID outbreak, the Kartarpur Sahib Shrine is open to public. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, along with his cabinet, visited the revered holy shrine. However, one Congress Neta was conspicuous with his absence, none other than Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Nearly 20 months after the COVID pandemic broke out, the Kartarpur Shrine in Pakistan reopens for the devotees. Over 2,500 Indian Sikhs crossed the Wagah border to offer prayers on the birth anniversary celebrations of Guru Nanak. The devotees included Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and his cabinet.
ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਕਰਤਾਰਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਦਰ ਤੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਆਂ ਲਾਂਘਾ ਖੁੱਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਅਰਦਾਸਾਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਲਾਂਘਾ ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਖੁੱਲਿਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਹੋਮ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ
ਸਮੂਹ ਨਾਨਕ ਨਾਮ ਲੈਵਾ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ आके इस स्थान ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਕਾਰਾਤਮਕ ਊਰਜਾ ਦਾ ਅਨੁਭਵ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ
While the Congress's top leaders reached Kartarpur, one prominent face was missing, and that was Navjot Singh Sidhu, the chief of the Punjab Congress.
A delegation of the Congress party led by the Punjab Chief Minister has gone in, and like you said, ironic it is that the PCC chief Navjot Singh Sidhu hasn't gone in today. There is no clarity as to why he couldn't be part of the delegation. It is said that he hasn't got permission, but he will likely get permission on November 20th to go in. But it is definitely very surprising given that Navjot Singh Sidhu was in fact part of the groundbreaking ceremony of the Kartarpur corridor.
Not just the Congress party. Even the opposition Aam Aadmi Party leaders from Punjab are aiming to go to the Kartarpur Sahib.
A delegation of the Aam Aadmi Party comprising of the Member of Parliament of the Aam Aadmi Party, Bhagwant Mann Sahab, along with the state in charge for the Punjab unit, the state co-in charge for the Punjab unit, as well as all MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party of Punjab Legislative Assembly, will be going on the 19th of November, which is the holy occasion, the auspicious occasion of Guru Parab, to Shri Kartarpur Sahib. We will go and bow down before the Almighty, before Guru Maharaj in his darbar.
Kartarpur Sahib is not just a matter of faith this year. It assumes political significance as the state gears up for crucial assembly elections in less than 4 months from now.
Now, as the corridor opened up after nearly 20 months, pilgrims were elated, quite naturally. Beyond the politicking, the corridor of faith was finally reinstated, and that's all that finally mattered. Here's a look.
तकरीबन ये हिसाब लो 21 मार्च 2019 ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 2020 ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅੱਜ ਇੰਨਾ ਲੰਬਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਉਸ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਵਾਂਝੀ ਬੈਠੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਬੜੀ ਤੜਪ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਸ਼੍ਰੋਮਣੀ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧਕ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮੇਂ-ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕੋਟਨ-ਕੋਟ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮਾਨਯੋਗ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਜੀ गृह मंत्री विदेश मंत्री पूरी कैबिनेट दी जिन्होंने ये फैसला लेके आज संगत की खुशी में वादा किया।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हम काफी देर से वेट कर रहे थे, पहले तो हम गए ही नहीं, तो अब मौका मिला है तो और हम वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट हैं तो और भी अच्छा लग रहा है।
पहली बार जा रहे हैं?
पहली बार।
अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लगा है। हमारी ये फीलिंग है कि हमें जो अच्छी लग रही है, फीलिंग कैन नॉट बी एक्सप्रेस्ड।
आप कब से वेट कर रहे थे इसके?
लॉन्ग बैक फॉर कपल ऑफ इयर्स, जब से हुआ था द फर्स्ट चांस वी गॉट एंड वी गॉट द परमिशन।
Now, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has rejected claims of tussle of politics over the reopening of Kartarpur corridor on the eve of leading the first Jatta to the shrine of Pakistan soil. Let's take a listen to this exclusive conversation with the Punjab Chief Minister himself.
करतारपुर कॉरिडोर का भी रास्ता खुल गया है, लोग जाएंगे, लेकिन उस पर क्रेडिट लेने की होड़ मच गई है, पॉलिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है मुद्दे को। किस ढंग से देखते हैं आप?
मैं इसको राजनीति से नहीं जोड़ता। मैंने भी
पीएम को रिक्वेस्ट की थी, जाकर होम मिनिस्टर को रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि कॉरिडोर खुलना चाहिए, और मैं उनका धन्यवादी हूँ कि उन्होंने खोला। उसी दिन मुझे बोल दिया था कि खोलेंगे। और इसको, ये धर्म की बात है, बड़ी देर से सिख अरदास कर रहे हैं कि जी हमारे रास्ते खुलने चाहिए, जो हमारे स्थान अलग हो गए हैं। तो आज रास्ता खुला है, तो ये मुबारक है।
What is meant to be a corridor of peace and faith has always been mired in politics. Politicians on both sides of the border turned it into a battleground for their own gains.
Kartarpur Sahib has been in the eye of politics from the very beginning. Since the corridor opened in 2018, on an annual basis, around the Guru Parv, it would peak. In 2018, as Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan laid the foundation stone in Kartarpur, faith rekindled a spark of hope.
मौके का फायदा उठाते हुए ये फिर से कहता हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएगा, हम 2 कदम हिंदुस्तान के आगे बढ़ाएंगे दोस्ती में।
और मैं शुक्रगुजार हाँ हिंदुस्तान दी सरकार दा और वजीर आजम इमरान खान साहब दा कि जिन्हें दोबारा ये संपर्क बनाया है। और मैं लिख के कहना और डंके दी चोट दे उत्ते कहना कि जब भी करतारपुर साहब के इस लांघे का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा, खान साहब जब भी इस करतारपुर के लांघे का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा, पहले पन्ने पे, पहले हर्फ पे आपका नाम लिखा जाएगा।
नवंबर 2019 में गुरु जी के 550वें जन्मदिन की तकरीबात से कबल मुकम्मल की जाएंगी।
Kartarpur corridor was to facilitate visa-free travel of Indian Sikh pilgrims to Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in next 6 months. Attending the inauguration ceremony, then Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal used the occasion to remind the gathering of a party and the Prime Minister Modi's contribution towards the opening of corridor.
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री साहब ने हमारे 550 साल गुरु नानक देव जी के मनाने के लिए जो हमारी पार्टी ने 7 महीने से इसकी तैयारी पे लगे थे, जिस दिन हमारे को कैबिनेट में इसकी मंजूरी मिली, मेरी तो खुशियों की कोई सीमा ही नहीं रही।
At the inauguration ceremony in Pakistan, India was represented by not only the union ministers but also the man who got the ball rolling, Navjot Singh Sidhu. There were a group of 25 journalists from India with special visas for reporting on the event.
आप आज़ाद हैं अपनी मस्जिदों में जाने के लिए और रियासत पाकिस्तान अपनी किसी भी इबादत गाह में जाने के लिए आपका ताल्लुक किसी भी मजहब, जात, नस्ल से हो, रियासत का इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं। करतारपुर राहदारी खोलने के इस फैसले का पूरी दुनिया ने खैर मकदम किया है। आज करतारपुर में वाक़े दरबार साहब में पहुंचने के लिए भारतीय सिख यात्रियों को पहले लाहौर और फिर तकरीबन 130 किलोमीटर का फासला तय करके नारोवाल पहुंचना पड़ता है, लेकिन अब करतारपुर राहदारी के कयाम से ये फासला महज 3 से 4 किलोमीटर रह जाएगा।
But just before the inauguration ceremony got underway, the dark shadow of suspicion once again crossed the event. Pakistan national and a known and rabid Khalistan supporter was seen hobnobbing with the Army Chief of Pakistan. 26 November 2018, the foundation stone was laid for the construction of Kartarpur Corridor of Faith from India to Pakistan. But the event was marred by politics. It actually became a war over credit as Congress saw red over Badal's name at the plaque at foundation laying ceremony. In protest, Punjab's cabinet minister and Dera Baba Nanak MLA Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa covered Amrinder Singh's name, his own name and Vijay Inder Singh's names with black tape.
मैंने प्रकाश सिंह बादल के और सुखबीर के बादल के ऊपर नहीं लगाया जी, मैंने अपने नाम और हमारा जो एमपी है उनके नाम पर और जो विजेंद्र सिंगला के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली जो वहाँ ऑथोराइज हैं, उन जो अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल उन्होंने नाम लिखे, मैं उनके साथ अपना नाम नहीं रखना चाहता।
Meanwhile, citing terror, then Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh declined an official invite from Pakistan for attending the inauguration of the corridor on the other side of the border.
एक किसने सिखाया है किस फौज विच कि तुसी आके पाकिस्तान के बॉर्डर के उपर साडे हिंदुस्तान से गोली चला के साडे जवानों नूं जो कोई इत्थे घूम रहा है या फिर जा रहा है उन्होंने तुसी मार दिओ? सिखाया किसी ने कि स्नाइपर ला के तुसी मार दिओ? किसी ने दस्या है कि तुसी पठानकोट में अपने बाड़ के इत्थे लोगों नूं इत्थे मार दिओ, दीना नगर विच मार दिओ? ये पंजाब दे विच ये अपना कुछ इत्थे गड़बड़ करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो याद रखे बाजवा असी भी साडे कोल भी पंजाबियों का खून साडे विच वसदा है.
But Navjot Singh Sidhu, then a minister in Amrinder's cabinet, had no such complaints. He was all praise for Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan.
अनंत संभावनाएं हैं बाबे नानक के वास्ते, खुल गए ये रास्ते. इसमें संभावनाएं जितनी मर्जी जोड़ दो, पीस की जोड़ दो, ट्रेड की जोड़ दो, हर चीज संभव है मेरे भाई. बस एक पॉलिटिकल विल चाहिए जो उस फरिश्ते ने बॉर्डर पार से दिखाई है, जो हमारी सरकार ने दिखाई है. सबके ऋणी है, सबकी जय जयकार है, सब इसमें शरीक हों.
This gave the opposition party in the state enough ammo to hit out at Punjab Chief Minister.
Same time he sends Navjot Sidhu, whom in his cabinet minister hugs the general, and here he's talking about against the general. So double games don't work.
Few months before the inauguration ceremony in August 2018, Kartarpur was in the centre of a controversy when Navjot Singh Sidhu hugged the Pakistan Army Chief on his visit to Pakistan for Imran Khan's swearing-in ceremony as the Prime Minister. A year passed by and Kartarpur Corridor of Faith was ready. So was a political slugfest over it. The politics of one-upmanship between the ruling Congress in Punjab and the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee reached its peak. Two stages were set up for the inaugural ceremony on 9th November 2019. The stage from where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi was to inaugurate the corridor was put up by Shiromani Akali Dal, then an ally of the central government, and the SGPC. Another one, erected by the Congress-led Punjab government, was to hold its show under the aegis of then Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. Following this credit war, members of the Sikh community expressed displeasure at the way the BJP leadership was allegedly trying to usurp the credit for this corridor from the real veterans of the decade-long struggle. Meanwhile, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan sent an invitation to his friend and Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu to attend the grand opening ceremony on 9th of November 2019. This after the centre excluded Sidhu from the list of pilgrims for the first Jatha to Kartarpur. But then the Corridor of Faith became a reality and pilgrims took it over.
Now, why does Kartarpur Sahib hold a special place for the Sikh community? It is a place where Guru Nanak Dev spent the last 2 decades of his life. Here's a detailed report on its significance.
Almost 5 centuries ago, this is the place where Guru Nanak Dev spent the final 18 years of his life. After his missionary work to propagate Sikhism, he assembled a Sikh community here. It is said that the current Gurdwara in Kartarpur is built on the site where Guru Nanak died on the 22nd of September 1539. 4 kilometers from the present Indian border, the Kartarpur shrine is visible from Gurdwara Dera Baba Nanak on the Indian side, where binoculars have been installed for viewing. Scores of pilgrims who don't have a visa to Pakistan visit the viewing spot daily. Across the border, Pakistani authorities have been cooperative as they periodically trim the elephant grass growing around the premises so the view is not obstructed. The Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara was opened to pilgrims in 1999. It was one of the outcomes of former Prime Minister Vajpayee's visit to Pakistan. The shrine was repaired and restored in 2004. Currently, anyone can visit Gurdwara Kartarpur Sahib without requiring any special permission from Pakistani authorities. The only condition that you need to have a valid visa. Sikh Jattas are known to visit Gurdwara Kartarpur Sahib on 4 occasions every year. Guru Nanak's birth anniversary, Baisakhi, Guru Arjan Dev's martyrdom day and Maharaja Ranjit Singh's death anniversary.
Now, Kartarpur Corridor is not just a symbol of faith, it also carries the history of a nation being divided and then the subcontinent's tryst with religious diplomacy. Take a listen.
The scars from the partition of 1947 were not just left on the faithful on the Indian side of the border. It was felt equally on both sides. While Indians like the Sikh Jattas have religious interests in Pakistan, Pakistani Zaireen or pilgrims also visit India from time to time. Muslim Zaireens come for festivals like the Urs of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti in Ajmer, and Pakistani Hindus come on Hindu festivals and to visit various religious shrines. The two nations' tangled ties sometimes makes these visits smooth, and sometimes the travel plans are troubled because of the nationality in question. There is a set protocol in place signed by both countries. Such religious pilgrimage visits take place under the 1974 Pakistan-India Protocol on visits to religious shrines. But then security concerns on both sides are often cited for denying visa to the pilgrims. Gurdwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur, also called Kartarpur Sahib, is a Gurdwara in Kartarpur of Shakargarh in Narowal district in the Punjab province of Pakistan. The main shrine, built beside the river Ravi in 1925, was sponsored by the Maharaja of Patiala. The partition put a barbed wire that separated the faithful from the shrine by less than 5 kilometers from the Indian soil. For years, leaders on both sides mulled over a corridor proposal to facilitate pilgrimage to the shrine for the faithful from across the border. The Kartarpur Sahib corridor was first proposed in February 1999 by then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee when he took a bus ride to Lahore during a peace initiative with Pakistan.
मुझे 24 घंटे मिले, लेकिन इन 24 घंटों में ऐसा लगता है कि दिल्ली और लाहौर की दूरी कुछ कम हो गई है। साथ मिलकर चलने के लिए कदम में कुछ तेजी आ गई।
The next year, Pakistan gave the green signal for construction of a bridge which would take Indian pilgrims to Kartarpur without visa or passport. Between 2000 and 2018, there was no substantial development on the Kartarpur corridor, with Indo-Pak ties remaining on shaky grounds through most of the period. It was after Imran Khan became Pakistan Prime Minister in 2018 that Kartarpur corridor made headlines in both countries again. In August that year, Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu attended Imran Khan's swearing-in ceremony. After his return, Sidhu said Pakistan Army Chief Qamar Bajwa had told him that Pakistan may open a corridor to Kartarpur Sahib. On November 22, 2018, the Union Cabinet meet, chaired by Prime Minister Modi, cleared the construction of the corridor from the Indian side.
डेरा बाबा नानक जो गुरदासपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, वहां से लेकर इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर तक एक करतारपुर कॉरिडोर
का निर्माण होगा। और जो आज मॉडर्न इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स बनते हैं, जिस प्रकार की सुविधाएं वहां हैं, वीजा की फैसिलिटी, कस्टम्स की फैसिलिटी, ये सारी बॉर्डर इस पॉइंट पे होगी कि जिनको ये सुविधा मिलेगी वो सीमा पार वहां तक जा पाएंगे।
The same month, foundation stones for the stretches of the corridor from both sides of the border were laid and construction work began. The first delegation level meet between Pakistan and India took place in March 2019 to finalize the modalities of the landmark Kartarpur corridor.
Our side pressed on the need for arranging visit of at least 5,000 pilgrims per day to begin with. We have from our side very clearly highlighted our own preparedness, keenness and eagerness to operationalize this as early as possible.
After multiple rounds of talks, on October 24th, 2019, India and Pakistan signed the long-standing Kartarpur Pact at the Zero Line at Dera Baba Nanak. It allowed Indian devotees with a valid passport to visit the Sikh shrine on payment of $20 per visit. The pact is valid for 5 years, but either party can terminate or suspend it. Within days, on 8th of November 2019, Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said they will not charge $20 as service fee from Indian pilgrims visiting Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara on 9th and 12th of November. The very next day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the portion of the corridor falling on the Indian side, while his Pakistan counterpart Imran Khan inaugurated the corridor's part on the Pakistani side. And then came the pandemic. In March 2020, like everything else, travel along the Kartarpur corridor was stalled. 20 months later, in November 2021, the Indian government announced the reopening of pilgrimage to Kartarpur Sahib with all COVID-19 protocols in place. Only fully vaccinated individuals will be allowed. Negative RT-PCR test is also mandatory for travel. The pilgrims may also have to undergo antigen tests by Pakistani authorities.
I'm standing at the Indian side, the edge of the Indian side of the Kartarpur corridor, and right behind me is the jurisdiction of Pakistan. That's where the border is, and that's where the jurisdiction of Pakistan begins from. In fact, the green board behind me says "Welcome to Pakistan." 4.5 kilometers from the border inside Pakistan in Narowal district is Gurdwara Kartarpur Sahib, which now of course is again welcoming Indian pilgrims, because from today onwards the Kartarpur corridor has been thrown open for Indian pilgrims to travel from India to Pakistan to pay their obeisance to the final resting place of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. November 2019 is when the Kartarpur corridor was thrown open, but unfortunately because of COVID, 4 months later, it had to be shut down. And yesterday, the government announced that it will now be reopened. In fact, Kartarpur Sahib, Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Kartarpur is so close technically to where I am that I can see it with my naked eye from here as well. Though a little blurry and a little hazy, but you can see the top of the Gurdwara from here itself.
Well, Kartarpur corridor stands as test of time, where faith and spirit of people win over the divisive history and politics of the country. That's all that we have here for this special edition. News and updates continue on the other side of a short break. Stay with us.